We are here with Dan in Warsaw. We just finished staining and clear coating this log home, and just have a few questions for you. How was your experience with Matthews Painting Company and the painters that completed your work?
Well, I was really concerned in finding someone that had experience in log homes, because they're obviously a lot different than a regular stick belt home. And I was happy to find out that Matthews had extensive experience in log homes. And going through the process, it was obvious they do know what they're doing, and they came, got the job done, and I think it looks great.
Thank you, thank you. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate us and why?
Okay, well, I guess I never rate anybody a 10 because that means there's no room for improvement. So I would say a 9 because obviously I tried not to micromanage the job, but I did ask some questions, and it was obvious that they were knowledgeable because, you know, in building a log home, you have to do a lot of research because it is so much different. So I was, I guess, comforted to know that they all had experience in their particular aspect of the job. So.
Great, great. Would you refer us to friends and family?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. I have a couple friends that I know have log homes. They're log-on-log log homes as opposed to a chink home, but a lot of it is the same operation, and if and when they need some work done on their log home, I would definitely let them know.
Well, thank you. And then lastly, did we do everything we said we would do?
Oh yeah, absolutely, and brought up a couple of little issues that I wasn't aware of, and went ahead and took care of those, and so yeah, absolutely, we're both happy. My wife and I are both happy.
Great. Thank you, Dan.